Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you how to update or change your personal info on Google search. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on your Google right here on your phone. Have you opened up your Google? Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on your profile icon. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you simply scroll down right here until you get to result about you. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on this setting icon. Then here you go. Next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and click on this pencil icon to edit your name. So you can edit your name right here. So whatever name you put in right here is going to be the name that will always appear as your personal info in your Google search. So I'm going to click on here to continue. So once you update name, go ahead and click on save. Successfully saved. You can also proceed to personal contact information. Go ahead and click on this pencil icon. Then you can add home address, as the case may be. You can update the phone number or add another phone number. You can update email address or add another email address. Once you are done, go ahead and hit on save right here. And you are done. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about Google search like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.